Here's a 10-minute kale salad recipe for any occasion. For the salad, you'll need some kale leaves, 1 red apple and 1 green apple, cashew nuts, strawberries and blueberries. Cut the apples and strawberries into thin slices and place them on a baking tray lined with baking parchment. Roast in the oven for 5 to 20 minutes. Chop the cashew nuts and add to the apple tray. Add blueberries and chopped kale. Bake for 5 to 10 minutes. For the salad dressing, you'll need 2 teaspoons of all-natural Moringa powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a dash of black pepper, and sea salt to taste. Mix well in a small bowl, and then serve together with the salad.